Hello everyone. Today we will study about the evaporation process. Now what is evaporation? Evaporation is a process in which a liquid converting into vapor even below its boiling point. It is having a lot of application in our life. So we will study them today. So its first application is obtaining common salt from seawater. Now we know that seawater contains a lot of salts. So our common salt which we use at our home, so that is also collected from the seawater. What they do, they collect the seawater, they make the shallow lagoons near the sea. All the water got evaporated and it means converted into the vapors, and we obtain the salt from there. This salt is again purified to obtain the pure salt. Its second application is drying of clothes. When we hang our wet clothes on a wire, so they go dry after some time. This happens because of the evaporation process. The water, it converts into the vapor and our clothes become dry. Third application is cooling of water in the earthen pot. In summers, we want a cold water to quench our thirst. In summers, we drink water of the earthen pot, that is cool. Why it becomes cool? Because we know the water, when it's hot, evaporation process is taking place there. So what happens? The earthen pot is porous in nature. So the particles which have become vapors, they come out from the earthen pot, and the water which is there, it becomes cool. So it helps the water in cooling in the earthen pot also. Its next application is when we sweat. So our sweat evaporates all the heat. So what is basically sweat? When we are feeling hot, our body starts to sweat. So all that vapors evaporated, and with that it evaporates our body heat also. So we feel cooler. So our body do not feeling very much hot. So evaporation helps our body to cool down its temperature also. Its next application is evaporation of water from the surface of pond. Now all the water bodies, the water keeps on evaporating all the time. Because of that, cloud formation takes place and we are having water cycle. Rain comes because of this evaporation process. The water evaporates and cloud formation is there, and we are having rain because of this process. So this is very important for us. Next, when acetone we apply on our palm, it got evaporated and we feel cool, because when the acetone got evaporated, it also takes some heat from our palm. That's why we feel cool because of that. Now we will study some of the factors which affect the evaporation process. So the first factor is temperature. Now what temperature do? As the temperature is increased, rate of evaporation increase. Why it happens? Because as we increase the temperature, more particles gain the energy and they leave from the surface. So the evaporation process becomes more with increase in temperature. Second factor is surface area. If we are putting water in a vessel which is having large surface area, so the water will be evaporated fast. For example, if we are keeping a water in sunlight in a bowl and in a glass, so what will happen? The water from the bowl will evaporate fast as compared to the glass, because surface area of the bowl is more. Third factor is humidity. Now what is humidity? The amount of water vapors which are present in the air, that is known as humidity. Now if there will be more water vapors around the area, so the evaporation process will become slow down. So with increase in humidity, evaporation slow down, because if there already water vapors are present, so the vapors which are coming out from any surface, they will not getting in space. So there will be already a density of vapors from there. So the evaporation process will decrease in increase in humidity. So the last factor which affects the evaporation is the wind speed. If there will be more wind, so what will happen? It will evaporate all the vapors from there, and there will be space for more vapors to come out. So more and more particles will come out by the evaporation process, and wind will take them away. So evaporation process will become fast. So this is all about evaporation. Thank you.